Did you know airlines have over a dozen free services designed specifically for older travelers, but they're banking on you never finding out about them? Welcome back to Journey Tips, your trusted source for smarter air travel. Last week, a 74-year-old subscriber named Barbara emailed me something shocking. She'd been flying for 40 years and just discovered airlines had been hiding these services the entire time. Today, I'm revealing 15 free services that could transform your next flight from exhausting to extraordinary. Stay tuned for number 7. One passenger told me it literally changed how she handles every flight now. Let's dive right in. Service number 15. Complimentary amenity kits on long flights. Here's a secret that'll blow your mind. Those fancy toiletry kits business class gets? Airlines have extras stashed away for economy passengers who know what to ask. On flights over 6 hours, especially international routes, flight attendants keep amenity kits behind the scenes. Toothbrush, toothpaste, eye mask, earplugs, moisturizer, even cozy socks. But they'll never offer them. You have to know the magic words. Simply ask, "Do you happen to have any amenity kits available?" That's it. One traveler told me this simple question got her a kit worth $30 on a red-eye to London. Best time to ask? Within the first hour before supplies run out. The catch? They only have 10 to 15 extras per flight. First come, first served. Service number 14. Free assistance between connecting gates. Picture this: 23 minutes to get from Terminal A to Terminal F. Your knees are protesting. Your heart's racing. Sound familiar? Here's what airlines don't advertise. They spend millions on missed connection compensations yearly. Their cheaper solution? Free golf carts and personal escorts. But only if you ask. 2 ways to get it. Call 48 hours ahead for connection assistance, or approach any gate agent and say, "I'm concerned about making my connection. Can you arrange assistance?" They'll radio ahead immediately. This isn't just for wheelchair users. Bad knees, long distance, just worried? You qualify. One subscriber told me this service saved her from missing her grandson's wedding. The cart got her across Atlanta's massive airport with time to spare. Airlines would rather help you make connections than deal with rebooking. Service number 13. Airport lounge access opportunities. Those exclusive airport lounges with free food and comfortable seating. Seniors can sometimes access them without paying the $59 day pass fee. 3 methods airlines don't advertise. First, many loyalty programs offer senior discounts on lounge access, up to 75% off. Second, gate agents have discretionary passes for long layovers. Third, during delays asking, "Are there any lounge options available?" often works magic. The sweet spot. Ask during off-peak hours. Tuesday afternoons are golden. Even 2 hours in a quiet lounge with free snacks and clean restrooms can transform an exhausting layover. One traveler in Chicago asked politely about senior lounge options during a 4-hour delay. The agent smiled and handed her a complimentary pass. Just like that. Service number 12. Carry-on luggage assistance. Let's be honest. Wrestling bags into overhead bins is dangerous. Here's what airlines don't announce. Flight attendants are required to help with bags, but only if asked. The smart approach? Don't wait until you're struggling in the aisle. As you board, tell a flight attendant, "I'll need help with my bag when I get to my row." They'll find you and assist without the awkward struggle. Even better? Mention it to the gate agent. They can arrange for ground crew to take your bag plainside. One traveler called it valet parking for luggage. Overhead bin injuries are one of the most common aircraft incidents for seniors. There's no shame in asking for help. It's smart travel strategy. Service number 11. Complimentary seat upgrades when available. While everyone's paying $89 online for extra legroom, gate agents often give these seats away free at the airport, especially to seniors with genuine needs. The approach that works. Arrive early, speak privately to the agent. "I have arthritis and I'm concerned about the cramped seating. Are there any seats with more space available?" Be genuine, not demanding. Airlines would rather give away empty premium seats than deal with medical issues at 35,000 feet. One subscriber got premium economy 3 flights straight using this approach, saving over $300. Service number 10. Entertainment devices and headphones. Airlines charge $15 for terrible earbuds, but here's the secret. They have free headphones available. You just have to ask. "I forgot my headphones. Do you have any available for the entertainment system? This simple request often gets you better quality than what they're selling. On flights without seatback screens, some airlines even have tablets preloaded with movies. For seniors who aren't tech-savvy, this is a game changer. No struggling with apps or small screens, just ask for help. Flight attendants would rather give you free entertainment than deal with bored, unhappy passengers. Service number 9. Extra blankets and pillows. Airplane cabins are freezing, but while you're shivering, there's a secret stash of premium blankets nearby. Don't wait until you're cold, bored, and immediately say, "I tend to get cold on flights. Could I get an extra blanket?" They'll often bring 2 plus pillows. Some flights even have lumbar support cushions for back comfort. One flight attendant told me, "We'd rather give out 5 extra blankets than deal with one passenger getting sick from being cold." Smart travelers board in layers but always request extra blankets immediately. Service number 8. On-demand water and special snacks. You don't have to wait for beverage service. Press your call button anytime. Flight attendants prioritize hydration requests, especially from seniors. The magic phrase, "I need to stay hydrated for my medication." This unlocks unlimited water access plus hidden snacks. Many flights stock low-sodium options, fresh fruit, even first-class leftovers. One passenger asked for low-sodium snacks and received premium mixed nuts worth $12. The key? Ask nicely and mention dietary needs. Flight attendants have more options than they advertise. Service number 7. Special dietary meals at no cost. Airlines offer completely free special meals. Diabetic, low-sodium, gluten-free, but barely mention them. Why? They cost more to produce. These meals are often fresher and healthier than standard options. While you should order 24 to 48 hours ahead, flight attendants often have extras on board. Try, "I forgot to order a special meal. Do you have any diabetic-friendly options available?" It's free, just hidden. Service number 6. Medical support and equipment accommodation. Every flight is basically a flying medical clinic. Flight attendants are trained in CPR, can administer certain medications, and have direct contact with ground doctors. But here's what's hidden. Preventive services. Need medication reminders? They'll help. Traveling with medical equipment? They'll assist with setup. Just say, "I have a medical condition I'm managing. Should I inform the crew?" One diabetic traveler said the crew helped store insulin, reminded her about meals, and checked on her overnight. "Like having a private nurse," she said. Service number 5. Extra legroom seats upon request. Those premium seats costing $89 online, often given free at the airport. Gate agents have override power when seniors present legitimate needs. Try this 45 minutes before departure. "I have knee problems and I'm concerned about the cramped seating. Are there any seats with extra legroom available?" Airlines prefer filling premium seats with grateful seniors than flying them empty. The online system charges everyone. Human agents can waive fees for good reasons. Service number 4. Flexible seat selection policies. While websites charge $25 to $75 for seat selection, phone agents have magic buttons. Waive fee, medical necessity, complimentary assignment. Call instead of clicking. Say, "I'm a senior with specific seating needs for health reasons. Can you help me find an appropriate seat without additional charges?" One subscriber saved $300 this year just by calling. Airlines know poorly placed seniors cause boarding delays and problems. It's in everyone's interest to seat you properly. Service number 3. Priority boarding and deplaning assistance. Airlines have an unpublished boarding group between pre-boarding and Group 1. Just ask, "I'd appreciate extra time to board and get organized." No documentation needed. You'll board calmly, get overhead space, and settle without rush. For deplaning, request to wait or get priority exit for connections. One traveler said this transformed her anxiety. "I board with families now, get my pick of bins, and actually enjoy it." Service number 2. Wheelchair and mobility services. You don't need to own a wheelchair to use this service. Major airports span miles. Why exhaust yourself? You get curbside pickup, priority security, personal escort, luggage help, early boarding, and arrival assistance. Request when booking or at check-in. One marathon runner told me, "I can run 26 miles, but navigating O'Hare with connections? I'll take the wheelchair." Smart travel isn't about pride. It's about arriving refreshed. Service number 1. Complete journey assistance programs. The ultimate service. door-to-door assistance that rivals first-class treatment, personal meet and greet, escort through security, priority everything, in-flight attention, and arrival assistance. It's completely free. Just call 48 to 72 hours before travel. I'd like to request complete journey assistance. No medical verification required. One subscriber said, "I felt like a celebrity. Someone was always there to help. It turned my most dreaded trip into my best travel experience ever." Airlines offer this because supported passengers are happy passengers. They just don't advertise it widely. So there you have it. 15 free services airlines have been hiding in plain sight. Here's my challenge. Try just 3 of these on your next flight. Which service would make the biggest difference for you? Drop your experiences in the comments below. If this opened your eyes to what you've been missing, hit that like button and subscribe to Journey Tips for more insider travel wisdom. Share this with anyone who deserves to travel like VIP without VIP prices. Thanks so much for watching, safe travels, and I'll see you on the next Journey Tips.